Hi there, I'm Ksenia and you're watching the Hungry Notes. Today we're going to cook the marinated mushrooms. Wash mushrooms and cut them in halves. Bigger ones cut in 4 parts. To a boiling water, add salt, bay leaf and black pepper. Add mushrooms. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on a medium heat. When the mushrooms are cooked, drain water. Place mushrooms into a bowl. Add garlic, onions, vinegar and olive oil. Keep the mushrooms for a couple of hours in the fridge before serving. Taste them and add some salt and vinegar if needed. Marinated mushrooms is a great idea that works both for a picnic with your friends and a formal dinner. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be my friend and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Put your likes and follow Hungry Notes on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Let's cook together!